Oh, I didn't see you there. Chef David Rose here, back in the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And what we have before you is a delicious, amazing pork Wellington. We just took it out of the Alto Sham Vector Oven, and it smells so good. The great thing about the Alto Sham is that it cuts my cooking time in half, whereas opposed to the 40 minutes it would normally take me to do this pork Wellington. I cut it in half. 50% of 40 is, that's right, you're a math whiz, 20 minutes. So with pork, you want to cook it to a minimum temperature of 145. So let's see what we got. You always want to put the thermometer right in the thickest part of the meat, so you'll know that way if it's cooked through. All right. 145 on the nose, but we are not done yet. What you want to do with any type of tenderloin, roast, and especially this particular Wellington is you want to let it rest. The last thing you want to do is take all of that laborious hard work from wrapping the prosciutto, making the duxelle, wrapping it in puff pastry, sourcing all those ingredients, and then cut it too soon, and the juices and the interior flavor, all the things that make the flavor of the pork Wellington. It gets soggy and it leaches and leaks out of the Wellington. Fat, juices, that's all flavor. You want to reserve that, so you let that rest. Let the meat take a nap for a minimum 7 to 8 minutes. So when you slice into it, it will be perfection, but you got to see that perfection by tuning in and staying tuned to the Chef Series at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. We'll be right back, trust me. It's worth it.